So I have a question for you. Do you know what VVT is and how it works? Well, I'm going to try to explain to you today. But before I can explain to you how VVT works, I have to explain to you how a camshaft works. So your camshaft, simply put, basically controls when your valve opens and closes. It's connected to the crankshaft by three primary different methods: timing gears, cam belt, or timing chain. This ensures that your camshaft is always in time with your pistons. So then, how VVT works is it alters that timing on your camshaft as the engine sees fit. So how does this one do it on this specific engine? Well, this solenoid basically has a pin that goes in and out when it's activated. This basically causes these lobes on this camshaft to move back and forth. You can observe that there are two different lobes per exhaust valve. This basically means that there's one that operates your valves when your car's normally running or idling, so on and so forth, and then there's a more aggressive cam that is slightly offset and advanced for when you're at higher speeds. This basically allows your engine to get more efficiency, better fuel economy, and more power out of your car by altering the timing of your exhaust valves. Now, how does it do that? Well, you get more efficiency because your exhaust valve can open wider as well as sooner, allowing the exhaust gases to escape your chamber sooner, which basically means that there's not as much force reacting against your piston as it's on its way up from the exhaust stroke. It can also improve things like emissions. And the way it does that is it allows the fuel-air mixture in your combustion chamber to ignite fully before it exits the exhaust, reducing the amount of unburned fuel and hydrocarbons that enter into the atmosphere. This is just one of the many methods that your engine uses to make itself more efficient, run more adequately, and give you more power at the end.